Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Janabelle, or Janibel if you're Dominican, and today's video is going to be a review on the Pattern Beauty hair care products. So this is my second time filming this, but y'all don't care about that, so we're just gonna get right into it. All right, so as I said, this is the second time that I'm filming this, so I think I have a pretty good idea of how I feel about the line, but I used the hydration shampoo and the heavy conditioner for coilies. As you guys see by the packaging and the size of the products, I purchased the travel kit. So honestly, I was just trying to save me some coin. Those products are like $25 each, and I didn't want to buy the full-size products if I didn't know if I was gonna like them in the first place. So yeah, the kit with the leave-in, the shampoo, and the heavy conditioner for coilies is I think, how much is it? I think it's $24 for the whole kit, and then they have an oil. I think they have about 3 or 4 conditioner options, like depending on your curl type and how much hydration you actually need. So I'd be down to try those too. We gonna see how this worked out for me. Before I get into applying the leave-in conditioner and all that, I'll just let you guys know what I think on the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo, I feel like it was a lot more hydrating than I expected. Like hydrating to the point where I wasn't sure if it cleaned my hair. You know what I mean? Like I haven't washed my hair in like five days. So I needed the clean, you know what I'm saying? So I was really surprised. Like it did suds up a little. I mean, my head doesn't itch, so I think it did its job. I don't know. For me, I don't really get too picky with shampoos because I don't shampoo that frequently, but I think it did its job. In regards to the heavy conditioner for coilies, I keep saying the name because there's 3 different kinds, and I want to make sure that you guys know what kind I used. I think I like this. I mean, I mixed it in with an oil as per usual. I wanted to go along with my usual routine. I didn't want to change too many things, so I just used the oil I always mix in with my conditioners, and I feel like it should have been a little more detangling. Granted, I did use a new detangling brush, but yeah, I feel like it could have been a little more helpful in the detangling department. I think it did have like a decent slip, but personally I don't really care about that. I just need the hydration to be there and for it to help with detangling. So yeah, I'm excited to see how the leave-in works for my hair this time. And yeah, let's see what this does for me. Whew. Oh, well, it smells good, I'll tell you that. It smells very fresh. Very fresh. We'll start with sectioning the hair. I usually section my hair into like 3 sections to distribute product. The first time I tried to film this video, I think I applied a little too much leave-in. I'm gonna see if I use a lighter hand this time, just because I don't want my curls to be weighed down. If you guys seen my Instagram, or if you watch like other videos, I guess you know that I love big hair. Like my hair, I put volume over definition like any day. So let me know if you can relate to that, or if you're more of a definition kind of gal. But yeah, like I definitely prioritize volume, so I don't want the products to just like weigh down my hair. Also, quick side note, there's actually not a lot of product in these travel size kits, which I mean, it makes sense. Like you can't, if it's travel size, like it's only 3 ounces. But as I told you guys, I've only used this twice and the conditioner's already gone. Like there's no conditioner left in this. So I mean, I guess that's good for like a trial period for you to figure out if it's for you. If my hair was any longer, it'd be slow. Like you probably just get like 1 wash out of it if your hair was long. But yeah, let's get into this. Oh, let me take off my ring. Alright, so I'm gonna take about this amount and start distributing that through my hair. I usually don't wait too long to apply the product, or to apply like my leave-in and all that stuff. after I get out the shower because I don't want it to be too dry when applying, because then I feel like I just kind of pull all my hair out, raking the product through. But this time, yeah, it's pretty damp. It's pretty damp. I'm all right with that. All right, it's not damp, but it's like, it's not completely dry, so that's what I aim for. Honestly, going to Ulta and picking up this line, I was really hesitant because the amount of reviews that are out right now, I don't think there's a lot of them. And the majority of them are pretty negative. Like, a lot of people don't think it works for their hair, and that kind of had me scared because, you know, I don't want to be wasting my money to buy products that aren't gonna work for me. Like, thinking from a consumer's side of things, like, of course, you know, as an influencer, it's my job to try stuff out and let you guys know, like, my thoughts and all that. So I don't mind, but, you know, putting myself in the shoes of someone that can only buy a few hair products and can't afford, like, to be splurging on everything that comes out, and each product is $25. I'd be tight if I bought that and it doesn't even work for my hair after trying it a few times, you know? Since I really just want to, you know, test out the product and, you know, still involve most of my usual routine products, I usually add a gel in, but I'm not gonna do that because I feel like, will we know if the leave-in conditioner worked if I use a gel in between, you know? So I'm just gonna use the leave-in, and I'm going to use an oil that I love to seal in that added moisture. And then that'll be the test. Hopefully it all works out. Sorry if the light's changing. I'm definitely using natural lighting. I don't have my lights up. Maybe I'll add a little more. Oh, also, if you've noticed, I'm in a different space. Quick little update. I am in my home office, which is exciting. It's finally coming together. If you guys watched my apartment tour, you know that this room was like an ugly green color, and I finally got it painted. Like, my landlord was cool with it. So, you know, I'm getting storage. I'm just trying to get everything organized so that this can be a space where I can just film. I could, you know, come here if I want to switch out products that I have in the shower and try something new, you know, to get a rotation going. But yeah, I'm really excited to just have a designated workspace because I've been working off my couch and like my kitchen table, and that's cool and all, but at the same time, like, one, if I'm working in the living room, the TV's right there, and I'm just tempted to, you know, procrastinate and watch TV and just neglect my responsibilities. So yeah, I really want this room to just help me focus and, you know, hone in on when it's time to work, and then punch out when it's, you know, when it's time to go. But yes, all right, now that that's all applied, I'm gonna add a little bit of my favorite oil. My hands are so slippery. All right, I'm gonna rake that out in the ends. I usually like to apply the oil at the ends to avoid having my hair like fall and part and stuff, because my hair is not long enough to part in the middle, to the side, none of that. Like, I have a whole round shape, so I can't have my hair falling and, you know, too heavy to hold itself up. All right, so product is applied. I'm gonna go blow dry this hair, dry, because ain't nobody got time to air dry today. And we'll see what we're working with today. All right, y'all, do you see my hair? Like, I'm obsessed. No, oh my god, like, I have no words. I have no words. Like, my hair looks so good. So these are the results after I've blow dried my hair. I already picked it out, but you know, the more volume, the better. But yeah, do you guys see this? Like, look at this. Let me get close. Y'all see this definition? Like, wow. Wow. I honestly, I was not expecting my hair to come out this good. Like, it's the perfect balance between voluminous but also defined. Like, I told you guys, I'd rather choose volume over definition any day, but if I could have both, like, it's a wrap. I'm gonna choose both, you know? So, man, I don't know if it's my hair type or what, or maybe I used the right conditioner for my hair type, because, you know, like I keep telling y'all, there's like 3 or 4 different kinds, but there's so many mixed reviews out there. Mostly bad, to be honest, and I was really hesitant. I was scared to try these products because I was like, yo, am I really about to waste this wash and go? Like, am I gonna be looking crazy? Especially since today, like, I actually have plans. Like, I'm going out tonight, so I was really hoping that my hair would come out, you know, good. So I'm really happy with these results. If I had to pick one product that I'd suggest for this, you know, out of this line, I'd say the leave-in has my heart. There's no way that the conditioner did this. Like, I refuse to believe it. Maybe I'll start playing around with it more and, you know, buy the full-size products and see if my hair comes out different if I use like a different leave-in, but I use the in-shower conditioner, and, you know, like, I need to play around with it a little more, but I think it was the leave-in that did this magic. Like, wow. So my suggestion would be to try out the leave-in, if anything, if you have to pick one product. See, the suggested use actually says to apply to soaking wet hair. I never do that. that's not how he does this, you know? That's not my preferred method of styling my hair. But came out just fine for me, and my hair was like 60-70% dry. So yeah, don't always listen to instructions, break the rules. Yeah, as a whole, I'd probably give the line like maybe like a B+, you know what I mean? Like 3.5, 4 stars out of 5, which I feel, again, is pretty positive compared to the other reviews out there. It really just worked for my hair. My hair feels super soft. I don't feel any product buildup, which the first time that I tried the products out, I actually felt a little gunky. Like, there was a little residue on my fingers. So I think maybe the best tip that I could offer you guys is to take it with a light hand. Like, don't apply too much product if you usually do. Like, maybe take it back a notch or two and see if, you know, that works better for you. Tracy was onto something, y'all. Like, Tracy did that. And I'm definitely gonna be purchasing the full-size products. And there you have it, you guys. That is my review on the new Tracee Ellis Ross Pattern Beauty hair care line. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I was a little helpful and gave you guys some insight on whether or not it'll work for your hair. If we have similar hair types, like, maybe it'll work for you. Like, we might just be right here, you know what I'm saying? If you guys have tried the products at all, let me know in the comments if you ended up hating it or if your hair actually worked well with the products. Like, let's talk about it. So till the next video, you guys. See you guys soon. Bye.